In this video, we will show you how to pack your E3 for service returns or prolonged storage. Use the original packing set and transport lock for packing the machine. Spare parts are available from customer service. Open the working chamber door. Remove the blank from the working chamber if any. Clean the working chamber. We provide a video on this topic. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Disconnect the machine from all lines. Have the original packing set ready. Install the transport lock. For this, have the 3 parts of the transport lock ready. Notice, damaging of the blank holder and the spindle when transporting without the transport lock. Install the rear part of the transport lock onto the blank holder. Align the 2 side parts of the transport lock vertically and install them in the working chamber as shown. Pull the housing protection cover over the machine. Put the carton on a suitable surface near the machine that can carry the weight of the machine and the packing set. The arrows of the transport position label must point upwards and the flaps on the front side, which are labeled with "Open here," must be open. If possible, the rear side of the carton should touch a solid wall. Place the carton insert in front of the carton with the handle on the opposite side of the opening of the carton. Spread out the transport protection cover on the insert with the opening facing upwards. The shape of the opening must follow the shape of the insert. Place the lower padding in the cover as shown and make sure that the top of the padding is exposed. Slide your hands under the machine until you have a firm grip on the underside of the machine. Lift the machine from the table. Place the machine in the lower padding with the rear side facing the opening of the carton. The recessed grips in the lower padding provide room for your hands. Place the support pad under the working chamber door. Close the working chamber door until it rests on the support pad and place the upper padding onto the machine. Place the accessory pad onto the upper padding. Note that you don't need to include any accessories unless customer service asked you to include them. Pull the transport protection cover over the machine and pull it up on all sides until the ends meet in front of the working chamber door. Then tape the ends together. If the rear side of the carton doesn't touch a solid wall, have a person support the carton. Push the machine including the insert into the carton. Make sure that the machine doesn't slide off the insert. Close the flaps and tape them together. If necessary, have a person support and lift the carton. Your machine is now ready for transport or storage. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.